Hello there everyone, welcome to my channel, and then in this tutorial video guys, I will teach you on how to declare global and local variable in C programming language. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, supporters, subscribers, and followers in my channel. Thank you so much. Sa mga kapwa ko pong Pilipino guys, maraming salamat po sa inyong suporta sa channel ko. Sana po patuloy-tuloy lang po tayo sa panonood, pag-like, pag-comment at saka pag-share po ng mga video natin sa channel ko. Maraming salamat po. I really appreciate your support. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's get started. As I'm learning how to program in different programming language, particularly the use of C language, I have learned that there are two types of variable declaration: the global variable declaration and local variable declaration. Now, what are the difference between the global and then the local variable declaration? Basically, when we declare global variable, it can be called anywhere in your program. On the other hand, when we say local variable declaration, it can be called within the body of our program. There are some benefits and also some disadvantage along the way. So in this tutorial video, I will teach you the basics. So we have here the comment, global underscore local.c, local variable, local and global variable program. Written by yours truly, Jake Rodriguez Pomperada, MAED IT, MIT. And then I'm using Dev C++ version 5.11 in writing this program. The date of recording will be February 24, 2022, 8:24 p.m. Thursday here in the Philippines. Now, basically in C, to make it a global variable, we declare the variable outside in the main function. So we have here sharp include stdio.h. It is a library file in C that allows us for input-output in our program. So stdio means standard input-output header file. And then in this case, we have here a variable int a. We declare a value of 100. When we say integer or int, it refers to a data type that consists of positive, negative, including 0. Whole number without any decimal values. Now here, int main, it is a function in every C program. It is the starting and ending point of any C program. We have here begin, curly bracket, local variable declaration, the title of our program, printf to new line, global and local variables in C. Now here, we have here another declaration, int b and a equals 50. Now this declaration means that this variable a is declared local. Why local? Because it is enclosed in our main function. Let us put a comment here, and then the value is %da and a program, and then return 0. It will return to our operating system and then close. Now when we run this program, it will display 100. Okay, because the value here in our global variable is 100. Let us compile and run. So global and local variables in C, the value is 100 and a program. Now, how about if we make a comment here and then we enable this variable int a equals 50 with 50 numerical value? The same thing when we compile and run, instead of 100, it will display 50. So that's it. We are finished discussing on how to declare global and local variables in C programming language. And then we have return 0. It will return to our Windows operating system and then we close. Most of the time, this topic about local and global variable is not really being discussed in some school. But in my case, I would like to share with you guys based on my personal experience as a software engineer for a long period of time. Whatever I read, share with other programmers, I try to share with you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you learned something new in this short tutorial video. If you like this video, please share, like, and don't forget to subscribe if you are new with my channel. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.